I'm personally trying to start to customize how I reacting into a messages. You know, I'm creating a attitude, a personality since I'm the creator of myself and I don't want to be a plain human without any, identification. So I will make a creative personality about myself. And yeah, I will put it on my life. First, I plan to appear like an a person na hindi masyadong pinapakalaman yung opinion ng ibang tao. Unless lang related din sa akin. Then second, I want to see kung kung may sense or kung yung tinatopic mo sa akin ay may sense para sa akin. And I want to appear chatty and kind of insulting sound, but doesn't mean na in-insult kita. I'm just trying to create a approachable conversation para para maiba naman yung yung pag-approach ko sa mga message, sa conversation. Like, in a way like teasing someone, it's like that. Parang sa way na ganun. And I really want to adapt on Gen Alpha, humor and understanding, you know. And overall, I want to appear, nonchalant person that doesn't care or react less about everything. Because you know what? People doesn't care on what you like or dislike. They don't care on your existence, so I don't care to their existence too. But I can give a care on some facts and opinions. But in a way, I'm controlling the informations. And then I don't take insults. You will pay you know, like magdedebate tayo kung iinsultuhin mo ako. I won't take that easily. I'm a person na hindi ko ite-take easily yung mga insultong pananalita. And then yeah, I want to be to stand on my own self and to be responsible on what I'm doing and my behavior. Yeah, that is my first move on trying to change myself to to appear more, you know, more valuable person. I'm basically starting to work sa aking persona at character. You know, gusto ko pa rin yung character na, chill person lang ako. And then, hindi ako aggressive. I never tolerate or, yeah, yeah, as a Gen Alpha, I don't want the aggression. I don't like the yelling thing. I really dislike that. I'm traumatized with that aggression. That's why, I'm not tolerating it. Pag nakikipag-usap ako, hindi ako nagagalit at pag pag nasa harap ako ng ibang tao at may nakakagalit na bagay, hindi pa rin ako nagagalit kasi I really traumatized sa behavior of violence. I really don't like the drama, the violent dramas. I dislike that. I dislike the creepy tension, terrifying vibes. I dislike that, people are creeps, they are terrifying on their behavior. They like to dominate other like a bosses. I dislike that attitude. I'm a Gen Alpha person, I guess. I don't know. I'm more on, being a Gen Alpha means you just the doom scrolling on the internet. Internet guy that, doom scrolling like what the heck? There's may change ba na nangyari? 'Di ba wala naman. Wala naman nagbabago sa kaka-scroll natin. Hay nako. Pero pampalit na rin 'yun sa entertainment. Kasi noon, nung bata tayo, mahilig tayo kumalkal ng mga bagay-bagay sa paligid natin just to entertain yung mga sarili natin. And then, meron na tayong phone. Ang gagawin na lang natin, magpahinga, mag-imagine, at tumitig sa smartphone para malibang tayo at ma-entertain. Kaso, ang problema, parang mindless masyado yung ganong behavior. Parang hindi tayo na-engage sa entertainment. Parang ginagawa lang natin tumunganga at mag-scroll lang at wag na mag-isipan at wag gumalaw para tayo naka-freeze lang sa isang lugar at you know that is Gen Z now and I don't know. Anyway, hanggang dito lang tong video na to. Ayoko na pahabain pa kasi putek, wala naman ako masyadong gusto sabihin. Pag may naisip na lang siguro akong gusto sabihin. Sige, bye. See ya.